How to deal with rumors. Heard that this counter is going to get a lot of new government projects. Can buy? Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and existing investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Let us share with you 2 strategies to deal with this kind of rumors. First, ignore it. Don't risk your money unless you know the company well and you are confident with the company fundamental. Second, you can buy, but buy with a small amount. This is for you to minimize your risk, and you must set a cut loss point. For example, normally you buy 30,000 value of shares, but for this kind of rumor, you buy 10,000 value of shares only. And if the counter drop 10% from your cost, sell it immediately. Sometimes it's hard to let go or cut loss, but it is better than we ended up in Holland. In conclusion, we must know our risk appetite and be disciplined, especially on managing our emotions to deal with all these rumors. We will get a lot of rumors along our investment journey. Choose wisely and good luck. Feel free to follow our Facebook page, Know-how in Share, for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Know-how in Share, your share market buddy. Thank you.